Welcome back to the mathematics class. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Understanding Elementary Shapes. What is the name of the chapter? Understanding Elementary Shapes.
Real life applications of shapes. In our everyday life, we come across various objects which are of different shapes and sizes. A pencil you use is in the form of a straight line. Look around your room. You find different objects and shapes such as book, table, bed, clock, window, etc. There are many objects around us which are of different shapes. Have a look at your surroundings. Do you notice that even the screen you are looking at now is either a square or a rectangle? So shapes are all around us.
See, the first concept in our chapter is measuring line segments. So there are certain ways to measure the line segment. Here the first three ways are comparison by observation, comparison by tracing, comparison using ruler and a divider. What are they? Comparison by observation, comparison by tracing, comparison using ruler and a divider. Let us see one by one. The first one is comparison by observation. So first one it is comparison by observation. Through observation you should compare the line segments. See this, which one is the longer line segment? Here you can see line segment AB and line segment PQ. So by just looking at this, can you tell which one is longer? Yes, you can see that line segment AB is longer than line segment PQ. Yes, this is comparison by observation. Through observation, you just comparing which one is the longer line segment. Understand? So see the next one it is comparison by tracing. The next one it is comparison by tracing. Here, you can use a tracing paper. Here the line segment AB is there. To compare line segment AB and CD, take a tracing paper and draw the line segment CD and place it on AB. Then you compare which one is longer. From this we understand AB is the longer line segment, right? Here this much only the line segment CD. Understand? Yes, this is comparison by tracing. Use the tracing paper and compare the two line segments. Yes. So the next method it is comparison by using ruler and a divider. So comparison by using ruler and divider. So here the line segment AB is there. Place the zero of the ruler at A. Read the mark against B. This gives the length of line segment AB. So here you can see what is the length of this line segment? Yes, it is 10 centimeter. So we can write length AD is equal to 10 centimeter. Understand? Yes, this is the way to measure the line segment. Understand? Suppose there is another one line segment CD is there. That is, suppose measuring that CD it is 5 centimeter means here the line segment AD is 10 centimeter and suppose the line segment CD is equal to 5 centimeter means which one is the longer line segment? Yes, AB. Understand? Comparing 10 and 5, which one is longer? 10 is longer. Isn't it? This is the way to measure the line segment using ruler. Understand? Then how can you measure the line segment using divider? Here the line segment AB is there. So here open the divider. This is a divider. Yes, you can see this divider in your instrument box. Open the divider. Place the end point of one of its arms at A and the end point of the second arm at B. Taking care the opening of the divider is not disturbed, okay? Lift the divider and place it on the ruler. set the 0 mark of the ruler. Now read the mark against the other end of the ruler. Here you can see the line segment. This the measure of this line segment AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Understand? Okay, shall we see the next one? The next one it is measuring angles. What is the next one? Measuring angles. That is measuring angles. How can you measure the angles using protractor? Okay. So let us see. This is the protractor. You can see this protractor in your instrument box. You can see we have two 0 points. Yes, here and here. Let us take this one. It goes from 0 to 180. And the other one goes the opposite direction. It is here from here. That is opposite direction, 0 to 180. If we put two protractor like this, we have full circle, isn't it? How many equal parts do we have? We have how many parts? 180 plus 180, it is 360. Understand? Here it is 180 equal parts. Here it is 180 equal parts. So total it is 360 equal parts. Here each part represents a degree, that is 1 degree. Understand? How can you find number of degrees for an angle? Using protractor, how can you measure the angles? Here, angle is made when corners are formed. This is a vertex. Yes? Here, how can you measure this angle by using this protractor? Here, the center point should be at the top of the vertex. Okay, so see here. So what is the measure of this angle? This angle is 50 degree. Understand, measure of this angle is 50 degree. This is an acute angle, we know. It is less than 90 degree. So what is the measure of this angle? It is 50 degree. Understand? It is 50 degree. So the measure of angle it is so the measure of angle it is 50 degree. So let us see two examples. What is the measure of this angle ABC first, and then measure of angle DEF. First you take this one and take the protractor and measure the angle of this A, B and C. The point should be at the top of the vertex. So then measure the angle. What is the measure of this angle? 33 degree. What is the measure of this angle? It is 33 degree. 33 degree. And take the next figure to find the angle of DEF. What is the measure of this angle? DEF. Yes. Keep this protractor here. Yes, this is the vertex. So keep this protractor here and measure. We know this is obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. So if the vertex is at left hand side, so measure the angles in anti-clockwise direction, and if the vertex is at right hand side, measure the angles in clockwise direction. That is, here the measurement it is 115 degree. What is the measure of this angle? We know this is obtuse angle. What is the measure of this angle? It is 115 degree. Understand? This is the way to measure the angles using protractor. The next one, we already studied about the types of angles, right? So here the first one it is a right angle. Right angle means the angle of 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. And also you have heard about directions in geography. Yes, we have 4 main directions. What are they? Yes, east, west, north, south. Okay, here north, east, south, west. So here you can see from north to east, if you turn north to east in clockwise, here what is that angle? It is 90 degree, right? It is a right angle. And if you turn east to south in clockwise, it is also 90 degree. From south to west, what is the measure? It is again 90. And what is the turn? That is west to north. What is the angle? It is also 90 degree. So we studied about the circle. Yes, a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, means each part is 1 by 4, right? So here 1 by 4 means it is quarter. Okay. Right hand. The next one, it is right handed. Angle of 180 degree. Yes. So 180 degree, here the 4 direction is west, north, south. So if north to south turn, if you turn north to south means, here it is from north to east, it is 90. East to south, it is again 90. So 90 plus 90, it is 180 degree. Understand? From north to south, it is 180 degree. Again, south to north, what is the measure? Yes, it is also 180 because south to west, it is 90. West to north, again 90. So 90 plus 90, it is 180. Understand? Okay. Now, I am asking one question. What about the angle for north to north? It is complete revolution, right? Complete revolution means it is 360 degree. Understand? Yes? Complete angle. It is 360 degree. Angle of 360 degree. Okay, 180 plus 180 is 360. See the next one question. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the arm hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? What fraction? Fraction is of the form P by Q, right? What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the arm hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? Take this clock. 3 to 9. Clockwise direction. 3 to 9. What fraction? 3 to 6. It is 3 to 6 it is. Yes, 3 to 6 it is 1 by 4. Then 6 to 9 it is again 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? It is 1 by 2. Yes, quarter plus quarter it is half. So the answer it is 1 by 2. The fraction it is 1 by 2 revolution. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the arm hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9 is 1 by 2 revolution. That is 3 to 6 it is 1 by 4. 6 to 9 it is 1 by 4. So each 1 by 4 it is 1 by 4. 3 divisions each. That is 1, 2, 3 it is 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3 again 1 by 4. Understand? 3 divisions. So here the answer is 1 by 2 of revolution. See the next one. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the arm hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 4 to 7? 4 to 7. 4 from 4 to 7. It is clockwise again. 1, 2, 3. 3 divisions. 1 by 4. So what is the revolution? It is 1 by 4 of revolution. Understand? 4 to 7. Clear? This is 1 by 4. 90 degree. Okay. 3 divisions. 90 degree. Then the next one it is, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the arm hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 12 to 9? From 12 to 10 clockwise, okay? 12 to 9. Listen. From 12 to 3 it is 1 by 4. 3 to 6 again 1 by 4. 6 to 9 it is again 1 by 4. So 3 times 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? It is 3 by 4. Yes, this is 1 by 4. This part from up to 6, 3 to 6 it is 1 by 4. 6 to 9 again 1 by 4. So what is that? 3 by 4 of revolution. Understand? 90 plus 90 plus 90. Okay. Understand? 270 degrees. So here this is 1 by 4. This part it is 1 by 4 and this part. Total how many divisions? 1, 2, 3. 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3 again 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3 again 1 by 4. Total it is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 revolution. And the next one. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the arm hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 1 to 10? 1 to 10. It starts from 1 and rotates from 10. So what fraction of clockwise? From 1, start from 1. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it is 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, it is 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, it is again 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4 of revolution. Understand? Clockwise. Clear? So the next one it is, where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 2 and makes 1/2 of a revolution clockwise? Listen, where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 2? It starts at 2 and makes half of a revolution. That is how many divisions? Very good. 6 divisions. So move to 6 division where it stops at something. It starts at 2 and ends at where? So 1, 2, 3. Half of the revolution. Okay, half means quarter plus quarter. 3 divisions. Total 6 divisions. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where it stops? It stops at 8. Understand? This is half of the revolution. So it stops at 8. Yes. Clear? Half of the revolution at 8. And the next one it is, where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 5 and makes 3 by 4 of a revolution clockwise? It starts at 5 and makes 3 by 4 of a revolution. 3 by 4 means total how many divisions? 1 by 4 it is 3 divisions. 1 by 2 it is 6 divisions. 3 by 4 means 9 divisions we need to move. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where it stops? I think it stops at 2. Right. So that is 3 by 4 of a revolution. Understand? So it stops at 2 is the answer. And see the next one is, which direction will you face if you start facing east and make 1 by 2, 1 and half, yes, 1 and half of a revolution clockwise. So here, which direction? We need the direction. That is, east to east, it is 1 revolution. Yes, then 1 revolution and half more revolution we need to rotate. That is half. That is east to east, it is 1 revolution. Then one more, 1 by 2, 1 and half. So 1, if you rotate 1 revolution means it comes at east only. And then half means east to west. This is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is 1 by 2. That is east to west. Half revolution. So 1 means total revolution. It starts at east means it ends at east means that is 1 revolution. Then 1 half more. That is from east to west, it is half. So where it ends, which direction will you face if you start facing east and make 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise? You will be at west. Understand? Yes, this is you can see this. This is east to east, 1 revolution and east to west. The answer it is west. Okay. So the next one it is, which direction will you face if you start facing west and make 3 by 4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise direction. This is a direction. So from here you are west and make 3 by 4 revolution. West to south, anti-clockwise. West to south it is 1 by 4. South to east it is again 1 by 4. East to north it is again 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So where it ends? It ends at north. It is 3 by 4 anti-clockwise. So this is clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. So here west and makes 3 by 4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. You will be at north. Understand? Yes, you will be at north. Clear?
I hope you understand about the today's concepts. Thank you, dear students.